Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on issue number 8. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what we got going on inside. Alright guys, right here you can see we've got our list of car parts here. And here's what we're going to be doing. And the next issue is actually going to be the other tire. So let's go ahead, right over here. Dun, dun, dun. Hopefully we have no issues this issue. Last episode we did have to skip ahead a little bit just to see the orientation of a piece. But nothing too major or catastrophic happened. Okay, so we've got a piece of plastic here. This one, yep, this piece here is a flimsy piece of plastic. Not thrilled about that. You guys know I love the metal. And then we have an identical piece here that's plastic, as well as some AP screws. And right here is our piece of metal, if I can get it out. There we go. So this is the only piece of metal in this segment here. Now we are going to leave it like this per the instructions, because I can see that these are actually face down, and we're going to be taking these and putting them on. Now I'm assuming these can only actually go one way. So yes, so this will be the one for here. So we'll go ahead and put this like that, and we're going to go ahead with the AP screws and tiny, tiny, tiny. And these are going to go right here into the raised holes. And that went in fairly easy. You know, the crazy thing is, like, granted, for you guys, this is taking a lot longer because you're seeing these weekly. But for me, with how overwhelmed and, like, backed up I am on these, I feel like they just come and they come and they come. And honestly, these kits are actually arriving at my doorstep before I even have, like, any of the other stuff done. So, like, I'm actually, like, never caught up and ahead. Like, currently, I still have, aside from this one, I have 2 more Back to the Future kits. I have 8 kits for R2-D2 to do, and I have 4 kits for the Ecto-1 to do. And I actually just got the email notification that the next shipment of 4 kits for the Ecto-1 have shipped. So I actually have 8 Ecto-1, 8 R2-D2, and 2 more of these just sitting right here. So definitely not ahead of the game on this. Okay, so we've got this done. I actually kind of went right on ahead with the instructions, so we can go ahead and, oh, well, that's actually it. Figure that out. So all we actually did in this episode was install these. This piece here actually does not have any use yet, so we're going to go ahead and pack these AP screws up. Wow, I can't believe that. I thought we would have been doing something with that. Well, a nice, quick, painless, easy episode. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving a big thumbs up, and let me know down below what your thoughts are on this build. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you guys next week.
The apocalypse.